Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'm showing you how to make this delicious long-grain coconut wild rice in the rice cooker. A very convenient recipe that will get dinner on the table in no time. For this simple recipe, you'll need coconut milk and your favorite long-grain wild rice, and of course, a few staples such as butter and salt. So without further ado, let's get right to the recipe. Add 4 cups of long grain wild rice to your rice cooker. Then wash and drain your rice. Now add 3 cups of water to your rice along with 3 cups of coconut milk. Try to find a really good quality organic coconut milk. Next, add 1½ teaspoons of sea salt, followed by 2 tablespoons of butter and fresh thyme. Stir the ingredients together. The natural flavors of this rice will pair nicely with roasted chicken or heavy stews. Not sure how to make perfect roast chicken? Then check out this video right here. Now, when I mentioned easy, believe me, I wasn't kidding. Go ahead and let your rice cooker do the work it was made for. You can have this recipe done between a soccer or a hockey run. Now just go ahead and fluff using your fork, and just like that, you've made a delicious coconut wild rice. Did I just make a new friend? Welcome, family. As a thank you for watching, I've included a recipe card for you right here. Thank you, my beloved. Take care of yourself, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.